Hey everybody, this is Natalie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some rosemary bread. I fixed my dough last night, put it in the oven to rise, and I'm going to go see how it's doing. And let's see what else I've got today. Yeah, I just had some rosemary I needed to use up, so I wanted to make the bread, and then I'll probably make tomato soup to go with it later. I got lots of things I'm going to be doing today. In addition to doing cooking relatively once a week. Well, on this channel, I also have a garden, a huge garden. I doubled it from last year. So I have 6 20-foot rows in the back plus a 12 by 12 raised bed. Then I have 6 raised beds in the front plus some more I'm going to add because I'm not going to have enough room for all the plants I started. Anyway, everything's starting to pop up. My salad is popping up. I've got beets and spinach that have come up, and wildflower. I have 2 rows that are wildflowers because I need some pollinators, right? And anyway, that's just what I'm doing today. All right, let's get started. All right, let's see what I got here. Wow, okay. She is puffy. Oh, yum, that's gonna be delicious. Wow. Don't want to leave anything behind. Oh, that's nice. This is a very nice dough. All right. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and form this, and then I will let it rise probably for like another hour, and then I'll cut it with my lame just to just have a nice presentation. I'm going to bake it. I'm just going to use just enough flour so I can form a ball here. Wonderful rosemary. Earlier in the week, I made some roasted baby carrots with rosemary and honey. Actually, it was the peach pepper honey. It was so good. And I got those carrots at Trader Joe's. They just look beautiful. All right, so I think that's good. Let me put some more flour on the bottom there so she don't stick. All right, I think that's gonna be good. So I kind of pre-measured this for my red Dutch oven that I'm going to be baking this in. And these are relatively the same size. And I just cut my parchment paper a little bit. So I'll come back to this in maybe an hour. All right, so this is all the amount of color I'm going to let my onions take. Some chicken broth. and let this simmer. A hand mixer too, and I will use that later. All right, here is the bread, another beautiful loaf. It is popping, it's like cracking right now.